Welcome to Next Gen Cloud Computing. Master Linux and Cloud Skill for free.
In today's tech landscape, Python proficiency is becoming a game changer, especially in DevOps and cloud roles. Job titles like DevOps Engineer, Cloud Administrator, and Automation Engineer are in high demand, and they all require a solid understanding of Python. This isn't just about coding. It's about unlocking new opportunities in AI, machine learning, and advanced data analysis. Imagine transitioning from a Linux admin to a Python developer, expanding your skill set and boosting your career. Professionals who've made this leap often share how Python opened doors they never knew existed. The statistics speak for themselves. Companies are actively seeking candidates with Python skills. Want to stay ahead in the Linux admin game? Learning Python could be your ticket to endless opportunities. Mastering Linux opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine being able to navigate your system with ease, automate tedious tasks, and unleash the full potential of your computer. Once you grasp the fundamentals, we'll dive into real-world projects that will not only reinforce your skills, but also make you more efficient in your daily tasks. Think about automating your file organization or setting up a personal server. These projects will accelerate your learning and give you practical experience. By subscribing, you're joining a community dedicated to sharing knowledge and empowering each other. Let's embark on this journey together and transform the way we work with technology. With Google Colab, you can dive straight into coding without any setup hassles. Just open your browser and you're ready to go. It's an interactive environment where you can write code, test it, and debug in real time. Imagine seeing your changes instantly. No waiting around. And don't worry if you're new to this. I'll guide you step by step, with examples specifically designed for Linux admins. You'll learn how to leverage the power of Python and data science tools without feeling overwhelmed. It's all about making coding accessible and fun, so you can focus on what really matters, building your skills and confidence. Let's get started. Task automation is a game changer, especially when it comes to user account creation. With just a few lines of Python code, I can streamline the onboarding process, saving time and reducing errors. But it doesn't stop there. Scheduling recurring tasks like backups is a breeze with Python and cron integration. Imagine setting it and forgetting it. Your data is safe without lifting a finger. Now let's talk system monitoring. Using the Sutil library, I can keep an eye on CPU, memory, and disk usage in real time. It's like having a health monitor for my system, ensuring everything runs smoothly. And for those in DevOps, extending Jenkins or CI/CD pipelines with Python gives me unparalleled control over my workflows. I can automate tests, manage deployments, and optimize processes seamlessly. Finally, when it comes to log analysis, Python's Pandas library is my secret weapon. It allows me to sift through massive log files effortlessly, uncovering insights that drive better decision-making. Task automation, system monitoring, DevOps integration, and log analysis. Python truly empowers me to work smarter, not harder. Python is a game changer for Linux admins. Its syntax is so readable that even those new to programming can pick it up quickly. Concepts like variables and loops are familiar, making the transition from shell scripting smooth. With powerful libraries like OS and subprocess, managing files and system tasks becomes a breeze. Need to automate SSH tasks? Paramiko has you covered. Want to monitor system performance? Sutil gives you insights into CPU, memory, and disk usage effortlessly. Python's flexibility shines when handling unique scenarios that typical automation tools can't tackle. Imagine writing a script to back up files based on their modification date. Now that's efficiency. Plus, integrating Python with existing tools like Ansible enhances your automation capabilities. You can pre-process data or perform advanced analytics seamlessly. And let's not forget, Python isn't just for Linux administration. It opens doors to cloud computing, DevOps, and AI. In today's job market, being proficient in Python isn't just an advantage, it's essential. As a Linux administrator, you know the struggle of managing countless servers and configurations. While tools like Ansible and Puppet streamline automation, they often fall short when it comes to complex tasks. That's where Python steps in. Think of it as your Swiss Army knife for automation. With Python, you can easily extend the capabilities of these tools, creating custom scripts that fit your unique needs. Imagine an Ansible playbook that not only deploys configurations but also runs a Python script to validate them and generate a detailed report. This flexibility allows you to tackle challenges head-on, saving time and reducing stress. Embracing Python can truly redefine your workflow and elevate your role as a Linux administrator. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this content valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create even more resources for Linux and DevOps enthusiasts like you. Don't forget to share this with your friends who are also eager to learn. Join our growing community where we're dedicated to helping you master Linux and Python. We're excited to guide you through real-world projects that will enhance your skills and speed up your learning journey. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on our upcoming series. Let's keep automating and growing together.